Hi guys! So I'm back with the last album. This is the, which side am I on? This is the R album. I had myself all mixed up here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Oop, where's my little thingy? I got myself. There it is, okay. Gave myself a little boost this time before I started the video. Alright. Boom. Alright, let's pop this open and struggle. I hope I at least pull a Huening-Kai this time, because I have yet to pick him and I've got everybody else, but we shall see how it goes. We're gonna leave that one a secret. I don't even know what it is yet. Alright. That's mine. I'll just put that over there. Alright, so this is the R version. Oh! Look at that! Oh my goodness! This is so adorable. I love the little... Sorry for the unnatural noises there, but he's just so darn cute. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, this is adorable. Oh my goodness. Ah! So cute! My heart. Okay, you know what? That lip bite is unacceptable, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. You're all too adorable. Oh my goodness. How are they allowed to be this adorable? Like, it should be unacceptable. How dare they? Ah! Okay. Now that I've made loud noises enough, that's the same. Ah! This is from the Cowboys scene. I love the mullet. I can't get over the mullet. I really can't. It's just too darn adorable. I say adorable. It's adorable and extremely attractive. And see that right there. Ah! Okay, we're good. It's good. It's good. See, I don't know what I would do if I picked the photo card with that on it. I'd probably scream quite loudly. But I will not be that lucky. I know I will not. Alright. More stickers! Ah! Okay. Whew. Alright, guys. Last ones. Let's see. Ah, I got Huening-Kai! Oh, yay! This means I picked one for each of them. This is so exciting. Ah! Okay. Alright, I'm not gonna look. I'm just gonna show you guys. What did I get? Ah! I got BMQ again! I got two of him. He's lucky. Oh, really, I'm the lucky one, but that's against the point. Alright, so that was the TXT R album, and that concludes my draws for the TXT album. So I hope you guys enjoyed this videos. I have the ENHYPEN albums coming soon, so look forward to those videos. I will be posting them as soon as they come out. Bye!